Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed chow mein. First, ensure all your ingredients are ready. Chop your vegetables into thin strips and cook your protein if needed. Boil the chow mein noodles until al dente, then drain and rinse them with cold water to prevent sticking. This preparation is key for a quick and delicious stir-fry. Now let's create that signature chow mein sauce. In a bowl, whisk together soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a dash of sesame oil. For a balanced taste, incorporate a small amount of sugar and a pinch of white pepper. Finally, mix in a cornstarch slurry to achieve a rich, glossy consistency that will coat your noodles perfectly. Time to bring it all together in the wok. Heat a large pan or wok over high heat with a tablespoon of cooking oil. Sauté minced garlic and grated ginger until they release their aroma. Next, add your prepared vegetables and protein, stir-frying quickly until they are tender crisp. This high-heat cooking ensures a vibrant texture and flavor. For the grand finale, add your cooked chow mein noodles to the wok. Pour in the delicious sauce we prepared earlier. Toss everything vigorously, ensuring the noodles and ingredients are evenly coated and heated through. Serve your homemade mixed chow mein immediately for the best taste. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.